Here's a fun trick using only 4 cards, and I want you to keep your eye on the king of spades. Now on the first round, I'm actually going to help you find it. It's right there on the bottom. So now that you know what to look for, I will do this slowly, and all you have to do is tell me where it is. If you guessed it was on the top, you'd be correct. We'll place it on the table, but it's still here on the top. That's a king of clubs. Now let's place the king of spades on the bottom. Place that one down there as well. Actually, it's still here on the top. Now let's place that one. Sorry, that's the king of diamonds, so the king of spades must be there. We'll place that on the top. So now the king of spades is face up, and we'll leave it face up in the middle, and then somehow we get the king of hearts. So that's a bit strange, but did you see the king of spades was still face up? It's right there, and if it was hard to miss, I don't know how you missed it, because it's the only one with a red back. Not only that, it's the only one with a giant hole in it. How does that even work? Yo, what's cracking everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today you're going to learn a fun trick using only 4 cards, and one of them has a giant hole in it, and it's easy to make with something that you probably got around your house. It's a secret little device that you might have. It's just a hole punch, and it takes you about probably 1 second to make. If you don't have the hole punch, it uses a 1-inch hole punch. I'll teach you in the tutorial. Let's get into it. Like the video, subscribe, and all that fun stuff. Let's do it. So here is the gimmick. It's just a card with a hole punched in it. That's all it is. So this gimmick can actually be handed out. All the cards can be fully inspected, and this hole is 1 inch. So if you get a 1-inch hole punch, I'll leave a link in the description, and you just punch a hole bang smack in the middle. Now the way the gimmick works is when it's placed on top of another card, and in this case it is the king of spades, it's with movement. And when you're only flashing the card, as I'll teach you in the tutorial, it goes undetected. It just blends into the card behind it. And so because of all the different pattern structure there of the king, you just can't see it. All right, so that is the gimmick. What you need is a 1-inch hole punch, punch it in the middle, and then get 3 other kings, and we'll get right into it. Here's an over-the-shoulder view of how this works. What you want to do is you want to have the cards in this order. So you want clubs, heart, spade with the hole, and diamonds, okay? So you want to have 3 kings that are blue, 1 that is red, and the one that's red has the giant hole in the middle. So obviously this is an Elmsley count that we'll be executing here. And so when the cards are face down, you want the red card with the hole 3rd down. And this is what you do first. You are going to hold it in mechanics grip, just like so, and then you're going to execute an Elmsley count. Now I've taught this many times on the channel, but I'll do it again. And what you're doing is you're taking 1 card from the top, you're pushing the next 2 over while replacing the first card and counting them all as 4. So essentially, we are hiding the red cards. So we take the top one, we push off the next 2, so that's 2 right there with the red hidden. This one goes underneath, and we count 2, 3, and 4. Now at fast pace, it looks like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so let's get back into position. Clubs, hearts, spades, and diamonds, just like so. So the first move, you're going to do the Elmsley count: 2, 3, 4. Now you can make up your own pattern doing this, and that will leave the king of spades with the hole on the bottom. Now you don't want to show the spectator that for too long, because it does become a little bit obvious if they start to stare at that card. So you just want to flash it to them. Okay, so a quick little flash, and then from here you're going to do a variation of the Elmsley count. Only this time you're going to take off the first one, put it to the bottom, take off the second card, place it to the bottom, and then you're going to push off 2 and pull that one to the top, okay, which leaves the red card in 3rd position. So let me do that again. So we should be at the beginning. So from the top, we're going to do the Elmsley count as normal. Brings the spade to the bottom, just a quick little flash, and then we're going to take the top card, place it to the bottom, take the next top one, and then we push over 2, pull that one out, and then we have the red card in 3rd position. Now from here we are going to do a triple lift. So there's a couple of ways to do it. You can do a push off triple lift. The easiest way I've found is you just use your index finger and you buckle the bottom card. Because there's 3 on top, it's quite easy to just buckle the card, okay, and then you're able to grab all 3. Okay, so you're in this position and you just turn over the king. Obviously there's our little illusion there, so you don't want to keep it there too long, and then we just turn it back down, and then that goes onto the table, and then you show, look, it's not on the table anymore, the spade is back here in your hand. And then from here you turn it face down, and then you push, do another double lift, but you're going to take these 2 and you're going to place them to the bottom, and then you're going to place the rest on top of that single card. So now you're in this position where you are going to do another triple. Okay, so now you do another triple, and you say, look, the king has jumped to the top, and then from here you place the supposed king of spades on the table. It's actually a diamond, and you turn over to reveal that it's still on the top of the pack. And then this time you're going to place the diamond face down. All right, so once you show that it's a diamond, you place it face down on top of the king of spades, and then you're going to do another Elmsley count, because we're going to reveal the king of hearts comes face up. So we do an Elmsley count saying, look, I'll leave the king of spades face up, give it a little snap or a magical gesture, and then you do another Elmsley count as normal, and then once you've got the face up king of hearts, you place this card to the bottom, you turn that over, and then you say, look, the king of spades has been up the whole time. And then it's not hard to follow, but then you turn around, do your big reveal, say, look, it's a red card, and then you say, and it's the only one with a big gaping hole in it. And as you throw them on the table, throw the blue cards face down like that, and just place that on top. And that is how you do the appearing hole. So that's the tutorial for today. I hope you liked it. If you did, do me a massive favor and just like the video, subscribe if you're new, and turn on the little notification so that when I upload a new video, you hear a little ting, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.